the importance of sanitation. Or sanitation. Now we are going to divide this into 3 broad categories. The first one will be social. The next will be economic. The economic benefits we get from good sanitation systems. And then we'll have the last as the environmental benefits from sanitation. Now, while you look at these 3 broad categories, social, economic, and environmental, we are going to identify 2 examples for each. For instance, socially, sanitation will provide safety to the users, safety from disease, and also from risks associated to open defecation. The other you can talk about is equality. Equality in this case, we are referring to the challenges that come with access. And to be specific here, we're looking at issues to do with gender, where we talk about male and female. The distribution of these units plays an important role in the community. The other thing we are going to talk about is to do with the economic benefit. Here with economic benefits, you can talk about the jobs. For example, you've seen people doing the gulping or the gulpers. You've seen issues to do with the cesspool trucks. All these collect waste that is taken to the treatment plants, and through that they're able to earn a living. The other benefit economically, we're talking about reduced health costs. Now, reduced health costs, when you have a good sanitation system, you will control exposure of fecal pathogens that are responsible for majority of waterborne diseases. The end result is you have less people falling sick, and that means the community will have more money to spend on other activities. So that is one of the economic benefits of having good sanitation systems. The other now we can talk about regarding the environment. First of all, these sanitation systems, treatment plants, provide an aesthetic appearance, or what you can refer to as beauty. They offer that good look of the community. And then secondly, we talk about the environmental health. Less contamination means healthy ecosystems. And ecosystems, these promote livelihoods. In this case, we're talking about fishing, farming, agriculture. All these are driven by healthy ecosystems. Now, with these examples, you can clearly see why having good sanitation systems is beneficial to us. And remember, all these are interconnected. So there is an intersection for each of these broad categories contributing to the other beneficiary. So that brings us to this part where we're talking about the importance of sanitation.